Hello everyone, how are you all? And the number 0. 0 has no object. 0 was invented by Aryabhatta in India. Let me tell you a small story about 0 and its value. Gratitude is attitude that takes you to your altitude. Once there was a mathematician. The mathematician called a meeting. All the numbers came but 0 was missing. Then the mathematician told all the numbers to find 0. Then all the numbers find 0 and 2 saw 0 behind a tree. Then 2 put 0 to the mathematician. The mathematician said, "Why you didn't come in the meeting? Then you got, no, I don't have any value. No one respects me. No one plays with me. That's why I didn't come in the meeting." Then the mathematician thought for a while and said, "Number 1, stand in front of 0. Then 1 stand in front of 0. Then the mathematician said, "What is the value?" The mathematician told the 0 what is the value. Then the 0 said only 1. Then the mathematician said to 0, stand near 1. Then 0 stand near 1. And the mathematician asked the other numbers what is the value. Then all the numbers said 10. Then the mathematician said, "Come all the zeros and stand near 1. Then all the zeros stand near 1. Then before it was 1. Then 0 came, it became 10. Now it is increasing like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, so on. 0, the number 0 increases, the value of 1 increases. So the moral of the story is, everyone has value. Respect everyone. Thank you.